Power plant, engine, exhaust, and reverser systems. How are high-temperature noxious gases removed and disposed of in an operating reciprocating engine? By the engine exhaust system. What is the primary function of an exhaust system? To provide protection against the potentially destructive action of exhaust gases. What are two types of reciprocating engine exhaust systems? The short stack system and the collector system. What type of exhaust system is used on turbocharged engines? The collector system. What material is typically used to make exhaust system muffler shrouds? Sheet stainless steel. What drawback in using collector-type exhaust systems is more than offset when used on turbocharged engines? The loss of horsepower due to exhaust system back pressure. Why is an exhaust system failure considered a severe hazard? It can result in carbon monoxide poisoning, loss of engine power, or fire. Why should lead, zinc, or galvanized marks not be made on exhaust systems? The marks cause a change in molecular structure when heated and will cause cracks. What is an indication of an exhaust gas leak? A flat gray or a sooty black deposit in the area of the leak. How are exhaust system internal baffles or diffusers inspected? The exhaust system is disassembled as necessary for visual inspection. How can failure of exhaust system internal baffles or diffusers cause a loss of engine power? By restricting the flow of exhaust gases. What happens to engine power when a heat exchanger leaks exhaust gases into the engine induction system? Loss of power. Where are exhaust manifold and stack failures usually found? At welded or clamped points and flanges. What is a common cause of turbocharger wastegate sticking? Coke deposits or carbon buildup. Why are turbocharged exhaust system leaks very damaging at high altitudes? Pressure differential will cause the leak to escape with torch-like intensity. What are exhaust system coke deposits? Excessive carbon buildup. What happens to turbine engine performance if the exhaust nozzle area is changed? The performance and exhaust gas temperature changes. What are the components of a typical turbine exhaust nozzle? A tail cone, exhaust duct, and support struts. What is the function of the thermocouple probes in a turbine exhaust tailpipe? To measure exhaust gas temperature. What change does a noise suppressor make to noise frequency in order to help reduce older turbojet engine noise? It converts low frequency sound into high frequency sound. What are thrust reversers primarily used for? to aid in decelerating an aircraft after landing. Name 2 types of thrust reverser systems commonly used. Mechanical blockage and cascade. Are thrust reversers generally able to produce a maximum reverse thrust approximately equal to an engine's full forward thrust? No. An engine's full reverse thrust is usually substantially less than its full forward thrust. What are the hazards of operating some thrust reversers at low ground speeds? Reingestion of hot exhaust gases, ingestion of foreign objects stirred up by the deflected exhaust gases.